So I just thought I'd share these little projects I've been working with to reuse some old batteries, 12-volt batteries that I found that are rechargeable. So what I thought I might do is create something that would give me a off-grid voltage to charge up mobile phones. I've made two of them. They both use parts that you can buy off eBay for using on yachts. This one is a combined unit, so you get the 12-volt power output direct, and here you've got a little unit for charging your mobile phone. So that was the basic idea to start with. You can turn them on and it gives you your current voltage, tells you how much charge you've got left on the battery. This one I made with some different parts, again just trying to reuse what I had. There's a little push button and that tells you your current voltage. But what I found was, I found these little strip lights you can buy on eBay for daylight running lights on cars. They cost about £1.50 and they turn out to give off quite a lot of light. So as a sort of add-on, I sort of added it to this box and found them really useful. You can, when particularly up in the loft or anything like that, you can do quite a bit of work. So, you know, as an example, you can see the light that sort of gives off. They seem to last for a good 4 or 5 hours on a single charge. And I estimate also, you know, you should be able to charge about your mobile phone about 5 to 8 times on one charge. So just to show you a little bit inside, it's quite straightforward. Here's the 12-volt battery. It came out of an old fire alarm system. Here you can see the 3 units that are for the boat part. And it's basically just wiring it up. You know, positive from the battery goes to this top one directly so it can be charged. So to charge them up at the moment, I'm just using my battery charger. And then the bottom 2 here are connected up via the switch. So positive also goes to the switch and that will give you the charge down there. So on this one I'm just going to take the cover, drill a little hole in the side. They give you a little bit of sticky tape that you can add onto the side of it. Put a little extra switch in here. I found an old one in a box and that will give me a second lighting system. So I'm going to go and do that and then I'll show you when I'm finished. So I finished that up now. I stuck on the extra LEDs onto the side. What I did was I used these Wago clips. They're really easy to use. You can buy them on eBay again, and effectively you just sort of spring-loaded clip. You open them up, put your wires in and close them down, and they're very secure. So to get these lights working, what I did was I've just putting it direct off the 12-volt supply coming off the battery, put it on, splice it in into the 12 volts, put it in via this little push button switch, and put the minus 12 volts again onto the direct on the battery. So now you can see you got the 12 volts and the light now works. So that's just done. Cheers.